If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE Main questions on definite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, then let's try to solve these three questions. The value of 0 to a box x f dash x dx. A is greater than 1 where box x denotes the greatest integer function exceeding x, and you have to expand it in this format, either of these, which one. So let us write this one. It is again box, so to be careful with this one, you have to write this output. What will be the output of this one? So if you think it in this way, suppose from 1 to 2 it will be one variable, from 2 to 3, because this box will continuously changes because it was a staircase function. From 1 to 2 it is 1, from 2 to 3 it is second variable, so you can change it accordingly. So suppose it is 1, so the integration of f dash will be f only. Suppose it is 2, f dash that will be 2 into f only. So I am writing it in break wise. So suppose 1 to 2 I have done. 1 to 2 what will be? Suppose I am writing 1 to 2, then its output is 1 into f dash x dx, plus second one will be 2 to 3, output will be 2 f dash x dx, plus dot dot dot. What will be the last one? Now think about the last one. Suppose it is 2.5. So what will be this one? You will start from this. Suppose you are going up to 2.5. So what is box 2.5? It is 2. So up to 2 you have already gone. Next you have to go to 2 to 2.5. 2 to 2.5. That is the last limit. Suppose it is 3.5. So up to 3 you have already gone. So next will be box 3.5 to. So next what you will go, up to 3 you have already gone. So next will be 3 to 3.5. So what is 3? 3 is box of that one. So you will start from box of A. You will go up to A. So that will be box of A, output will be, what will be 3 to 3.5, output will be 3, that is box of A only, f dash x. So it will be of this fashion. If you do integration, it will be fx 1 to 2, fx 2 into fx, 2 will be outside, 2 to 3, next one will be box A will be outside, fx box A to A. So if you open it, it will be of this fashion. So you can see it, this f2 will get, it will be minus f2, so minus f1 minus f2, same will be, f3 will also come, minus 3 f3, so that will be minus f3. So everything will be minus, so you can take it in that way. So this one you can keep it in front, and then from here you can take minus common, so it will be minus f1, next this and this will give you minus f2, that will be f2, next this and next one will give you f3. Similarly the last one, this one, got it? Because it will be cancelling out, only one will be left, so it will be cancelled with the previous one, like this one is cancelled with this one. So whatever it will left, suppose it is left with 5, minus 5, so 4 will be just before that one, so ultimately it will be minus 1 only. So that is your option A. Now if you come to question number 5, if fx equal to fx plus f1 by x, then fx equal to this, then fe is equal to, so this one is given. So what will be your fe? Fe will be equal to fe plus f1 by e, and fe they have given already in this fashion, so it will be 1 to e log t by 1 plus t dt, and it will be 1 to the power 1 by e log t by 1 plus t dt. So again if I can put it 1 by t, so if you take LCM it will be t upside down, and this will be 1 plus t only, and in that case your limit will also change from e to 1 by e to e, so that will be my benefit. If I write t equal to suppose 1 by z, so what it will be, dt will be equal to, or 1 by x, so it will be equal to minus 1 by x square dx. So similarly you have to change the limit also. If t tends to 1, then your x will be tending to 1 only. If t tends to 1 by e, then x will tends to e. So this limit will change. This will be as it is. This is I am keeping as it is. I am changing here only. So it will be 1 to e. Instead of log t, you will log 1 by x. Instead of t, it will write 1 by x. Instead of dt, you will write minus 1 by x square dx. So it will be 1 to the power 1 to e log t by 1 plus t dt. This minus, because log 1 by x is minus, this x you can write x to the power minus 1, this will come in front, so you can write it simply log x. This minus and this minus gone. And in the LCM there will be 1x by 1 plus x, and there is 1 by x square. So you can cancel this one also out. Finally again you can change variable anytime in indefinite integral. So I am again going to t, so that I can add these two. So it will be 1 to e. If I take LCM it will be t 1 plus t, and then it will be log t. If you take common, it will be 1 plus t. So these and these get cancelled. So it will be simply log t by t. So I think you know this one very easily. If you take log t, then dt by t will be z. So it will be integration z, that is z square by 2. That means z is here log t. So it will be log t square by 2. I am directly writing it. I think you know this one. So it will be log e whole square minus log 1 whole square. What is log e? Log e is 1 and log 1 is 0. So answer will be half. That is your option A. Next, if you come to question number 6. I is given 0 to 1 sin x by root x dx and j is given 0 to 1 cos x by root x dx. Now they are asking I about I 2 by 3 2 by 3, about j it is 2. So when I will become 2 by 3? Can you think of when it is become 2 by 3? I. It will be 2 by 3 if you are integrating 0 to 1. If you integrate 0 to 1 root x dx. So what will be root x dx? It will be 2 by x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then it will be, so it will be of this one x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1. That means x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So if you take it will be 2 by 3. 0 to 1, so it will be 2 by 3. So that means they are asking you to compare with this one. Now you see this function sin x by x root x and x by root x. Which one will be larger? Which one will, root x is okay. And then which one is the between 0 to 1? So if you know this function, I have already explained in trigonometry. This is the function of y equal to x. And this is the function of y equal to sin x. And 0 to 1 will be somewhere here because this position is pi by 2. That is 1.57 something. So 0 to 1. So obviously between 0 to 1, this is already higher than this one. So this function is greater than this one. So obviously root x is common, but this is higher value than this one. So this function is higher than this one. So any integration of this one, you have already seen definite integral. If the fx is less than this, so its definite integral in that range will also be less than this. So it will be less than root x dx integration, which will be integration you have already seen, it is 2 by 3. So your I is obviously less than 2 by 3. So that is one answer, one you can obviously see, either C or D. Next you have to think for J. Now again J they are comparing with 2. So when 2 will come, now if you think, if you integrate integration of 1 by root x dx, that is x to the power minus half. So it will be x to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. So it will be 2 root x. 0 to 1, it will be 2. So if you can compare it with this one, then it will be done. Now you think about this function cos x by root x and 1 by root x between 0 to 1. Denominator is same. Now if you compare the numerator, 1 is between 0 to 1, cos x is always less than 1. So denominator, this denominator is always greater than this. So obviously cos x will be always less than this. Forget about denominator because it is common. Now think cos x. Cos x is always less than 1. So you can write it this. So therefore this integration will be also less than 1. And this integration you have already done. What is this integration? This is less than 2. So j will be also less than 2. So that's why it is obviously between option C only. Both are less than. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.